All right. Okay, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you. We are here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and I am so excited. We have Rick here with us. Rick, we saw each other about a year ago for your hair transplant.
Yes.
Welcome back. You look phenomenal. We'll show it off in a few minutes here, but congratulations. I mean, it looks incredible. Wait, tell us how the year went. How'd it go for you?
Yeah, I really love the ending result. I mean it's been a year, and I'm just getting used to it. And the big difference is my friend and even my family members, cousin, they say, "Hey, Rick, for some reason you look younger."
Right.
And they say they cannot find. I mean, they cannot tell why.
Right, and you didn't tell them that it was a secret.
No.
So they don't know you had it.
Wanted to,
they can't tell you just look younger for some reason. Right.
Right.
Yeah.
I was gonna tell them if nobody noticed, I don't have to.
Of course not. That's your little secret. Yeah. Oh, it looks fantastic.
I'm really happy with the result.
That's great. And we had talked about it beforehand. We didn't want to be super aggressive. You still wanted to look natural. You wanted to look age appropriate.
Exactly.
And I think we nailed it. I think it looks tremendous on you.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the before pictures up next to you. But do me a favor, kind of pull your hair back like this so we can see the hairline.
All right.
Awesome. And then look down a little bit. You know, keep your hair back like that and look down. Yeah, there you go. And then turn to the left side. Keep your hair like that and turn to the left. And we also did some temples as well too. And then other side. Great. And it looks really nice on you. It looks age appropriate. Definitely more hair. Your hairline down. I think it looks fantastic.
Yes.
And then no issues with the scar in the back. You said correct?
No, not at all.
Awesome. Yeah. So I know we talked about this before. Sometimes, especially with your hair type, some people may need that second coat of paint just to give it a little bit more density, a little bit more pop.
Right.
I don't think you need that. I think yours looks so natural. I think it's a home run.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Fantastic.
Just the way it is now.
That's awesome. Well, Rick, appreciate you doing this, man. Hopefully this helps somebody else out there that's sort of on the fence and questioning whether they should do it or not. And the good news is I don't think we need to see each other again, but you can always send us postcards, all right?
Yes.
All right, Rick.
Thank you,
Take care, man. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank you, too.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.